DevOps engineers, this word makes you sound junior on every outage call. And most people say it without realizing how bad it sounds. The word is maybe. People say maybe the issue is the database. That sounds unsure. It sounds like guessing. And on an outage call, guessing kills trust. Even if you're right, the way you say it matters. Say this instead. The likely cause is the database. We're validating now. You're not guessing, you're showing direction. And you're telling people what's happening next. If you're DevOps or SRE and English makes you sound junior, follow for on-call English.